We recently had the pleasure of visiting a stunning new build barn, nestled in the heart of the beautiful Hampshire countryside. Here, you'll see our team expertly installing PanoLux plus sliding doors, aluminium tilt and turn windows, and an impressive structural glazing gable end, all thoughtfully designed to frame uninterrupted views of the surrounding landscape. The PanoLux Plus sliders were carefully selected for their ultra-slim sightlines, allowing for maximum expanses of glass and a seamless connection between inside and out. To enhance the clean, contemporary aesthetic, all glazing frames have been expertly integrated into the fabric of the building, delivering a sleek, minimalist finish. Energy efficiency has been at the forefront of this project. Every element of glazing is triple glazed, achieving an impressive U value of 1.0, ensuring this home will be as efficient as it is beautiful. Once complete, this property promises to be truly exceptional. We look forward to returning soon to showcase the finished result in a follow-up video.